Hello everybody and welcome back to the King of the Batting Stances here on New England Sports Nation. This is episode, I think, 55. Whatever it says on the title is correct. I might be wrong. I don't know. I think it's 55 as the bird screams right there. It is raining today. The current temperature is 47 degrees with rain. We did a snow edition a couple episodes ago, and now we're doing a rain edition, and it's going to be fun. We're doing Ronald Acuna Jr., first player for the Braves. Okay, those birds just gonna keep going. Pete Alonso won for the Mets, and Ronald Acuna Jr. is today, and then next episode is Ozzy Albies. And very different stances because Pete Alonso and Francisco and Noah's stances were completely the same. This is Ronald Acuna Jr. stance, and this is Ozzy Albies stance. So really different. We're gonna do Ronald Acuna Jr. first. Here we go. Let's do it. I think it's either episode 54 or 55. It's one of the two. I forget because I do so much. All right, here we go. Ronald Acuna Jr. to start for the Atlanta Braves. That's off the end of the bat. That should get out. Gone. To center field. Nice. That's nothing. That's short. Yep, that's short. Backspin, that's gone. Cheap home run. We saw a lot of those last episode. Oh, that should get out. Yeah, that's gone. Into the garden. Couple home runs here. All short home runs. Oh, that was hit well. Onto the sidewalk. I can't believe I didn't get to the road. I thought that was definitely getting to the road. All right. There's no wind today, and it's 47 degrees, so it's not that cold. I feel like I hear a car coming. Or is that the point? I think that's the point. Because last time I didn't see a car coming and I hit it at the same time, but it was a ground ball, and thank God. Because if I elevated it, probably would have hit the car. Yeah, I don't hear anything. Gone! That's got to get to the road. Yes, it does. Onto the road. First home run onto the road. So since we got that out of the way, now it's looking to get on over the road. Oh, now there's a car coming. I saw that one. I saw the car that time. I saw that one. All right. Backspin, but that should get out. Yeah, it's gone. God, if I could just hit that in the sweet spot with the little tight ball, it's gonna go so far. That's how you can tell when I miss it, it does backspin, but it still goes far enough for a home run. Call it cheap. That's over the road. Wow. That was over the road and over two sidewalks on a line drive. Nice. Got one homer on the road, one over. Gotta keep track of those when we rate the stamp at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Car coming down the road. Yeah, that was a Duke, that last one. Over both sidewalks and the road. Alright, here we go. That should get out. Birdhouse! Oh! Right on the line for the birdhouse, but just over it. Hit the tree behind it. I've been close to that birdhouse several times the last couple episodes, especially the Pete Alonso one. That's short. In the first tree. Oh! No, that's so far. Oh! That was Corey Seager territory. On a line drive. That went into the bush. I saw it. I don't think I'm finding that. I don't think I'm finding that. That went straight into the bushes over there. And I saw it. Oh, God. If that was elevated, that would have been Corey Seager. Oh, my God. That was so far. Oh, line drive gone. Wow. I don't think I'm finding that other ball, though, guys. That's... Oh, no. I can't believe I found that ball. It really landed in the perfect spot for me to find it through the bushes. 2 homers on the road, 1 homer over, 2 homers over the road, 1 homer on the road. It's rare for bankers to get more homers over the road. But that's what Ronald Acuna Jr. is doing as the rain gets heavier. That's gone. Off the hands, that should get on the road. Gone. On the road. 2 homers over the road, 2 on the road. Gone! Another one on the road. Back to back. Nice. Stance getting in the groove. Oh! Holy hell. Over the road. Way over the road. Over both sidewalks. Ronald Acuna Jr. stands living up to the hype here on this rainy episode. Maybe I'm just really good in the rain. Yeah! Wow. Let's go. 3 homers over the road, 2 on the road. All right, 3 homers over the road, 2 on the road. Phone is staying dry too in this rain as well. Nice. My glasses are not though. I think I hear a car coming. Yeah, it is. Okay. I guessed right. Thank goodness. Alright, here we go. Oh, yeah. Wow. On the road. 3 hopped over the road. So 3 homers on the road, 3 over. Go! Wow. On the road again. It's consistent. It is consistent. If I homer here, you got a white Scott and me and Ranch New York Rangers for life. Gone! Got under it and that's gonna go. On the sidewalk, not on the road. Come on, let's send this one over the road. I want this to be sent over the road. Yeah, baby! I think it's too high. Yeah, it was too high. Gone. On the road. 3 homers over, 5 on the road. All right. Ratio is 3 to 5. 3 homers on the road, 5 on the road. Remember, Peter Alonso that had an 8 out of 10 a couple episodes ago had 2 homers on the road and 8 on the road. So Ronald Acuna's catching up to that territory. Keep in mind for the ranking. Gone. On the road. Make that ratio 3 to 6. That's a line drive and gone. I missed that off the hands, and it's gonna get out. Gone into the garden. Line drive, wow. Not gone. That's hit hard though. Couple more rounds here to end the video and rank the stands. Ratio's 3 to 6. That's a line drive. Oh, off the tree. Damn. A loud plane. Ah! That wiffle ball might go. No, it's not. Okay. Ah, come on! I keep getting on top of it now. 3 straight. No homers. That, I missed it. It might get out. Yeah, gone. It is gone. Not even close to the road, though. All right, we're going to do one more round, guys. Alright, last round. Ratio is 3-6. The first number is always the homers over the road. The second number is always the homers on the road. So 3-6 means 3 homers on the road. 3 homers over the road, 6 homers on the road. So yeah, the first number is the amount of homers over the road. The second number, the amount of homers that got on the road on the fly. So 3 would be over, 6 would be on the road. Here we go, last. Final 4 swings, here we go. Gone! On the road. Make that ratio 3-7. Oh, that's far. Wow. 1 hop over the road. So that counts as a homer on the road. Ratio 3-8. It is now beat Pete Alonso. Final 2 swings. Oh! Wow. I thought it was going directly for that car, but it didn't. That was far. Way over the road. Ratio 4-8. Final swing. That was a nuke. Let's end it off good again. Here we go. I hear a car? Yeah, there's a car coming. All right. The anxiety. There's a car coming. 2 cars coming. Make that 2. More anxiety. All right. Looks like those are the 2 cars. All right, here we go. Final swing. Ratio 4-8. Here we go. Final swing. Oh! Oh no! That's so far. No! Oh. That went on the porch. Oh my God. That was Corey Seager territory. And I don't like hitting it to Corey Seager territory because that's hitting the house, and I don't want to do that. I don't know if you heard it, but I heard it hit the porch. Oh my God. So that, yeah, wow. Ratio 5-8. Those are the last 2 homers. That last one was the farthest one of the video. That went straight on the porch. It just missed the roof. I've never hit the roof over there, and it almost happened. Holy crap. I don't know what it hit. It hit something on the porch. I gotta go see what it hit. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Out of 10, 9 out of 10. Really good. Ratio 5-8 beat Pete Alonso by a long shot. So, Ronald Acuna Jr. has the number 1 seed right now at 9 out of 10. We'll see what Ozzy Albies will do next episode, and I got to see where that ball went because that went so far. I'll see you guys next time.